In an octave, there are 12 musical notes. The sharp symbol beside the letter is equivalent to the flat symbol beside the next letter. Therefore, F sharp is the same note as G flat. In this video, we will be discussing to you about adjusting the pitch of a sound through the software called Audacity. If you are new to this channel, just hit the subscribe button for free. A sharp symbol indicates that the musical note has been heightened. A flat symbol indicates that the musical note has been lowered. On the upper left of the screen in Audacity software, click the Effect tab and select Pitch and Tempo in the drop-down box. Under that classification, select the Change Pitch. Once a pop-up box appears, there are 4 ways to change the pitch. The last 3 methods are to alter the semitone, where 1.00 refers to a full note, the sound frequency in hertz, or the percentage in percent. The first option is to simply select one among the 12 musical notes and another one among the 8 octaves. And now, let's listen to 8 incrementing octaves where each musical note gradually increases in pitch. As the pitch gets higher, it becomes lighter to hear and less heavy to listen.